One of the most dangerous things you can do when you're happy with your rig is to go shopping and looking at other rigs that are pretty stinking awesome. That's what we're doing today. So Chris and I are here at Affinity RV in our hometown area in Prescott, and we're looking at Grand Design. It's the 150 series. This is the 290BH. So that means it's a bunkhouse, and that would work perfect for us and our family with our two boys. The one thing I guess we would want to change with ours is we wish that it was a little bit shorter, and this floor plan caught our eye. So we're gonna give you a quick tour and show you why we like this one. This here is the bunk area of this fifth wheel, and it's one of the reasons we'd consider doing another fifth wheel or another trailer is this is set up pretty well. It's got a few beds back here, decent sized space, but yeah, it's got a great room back here.
Yeah, and one of the things that I really like about it is your head to bed area is pretty good size. Like
from the bed to the roof.
Yeah, you could have a kid sitting up in bed and not having to be all slouched over. And then the bottom bunk is a full-size bed, and it's really decent sized. And again, it also has a lot of headroom in it. Yeah.
What do we have for clothes storage in
So
here?
the storage is a little bit small, I would say, but if you have two kids, you can have 3 drawers each, and these drawers are pretty good size. You can definitely fit quite a bit of clothes in them. But this bed or this bunk room area has 3 beds, so you could have 3 kids back here, fit very comfortably. It would not be too big of an issue, I think.
Yeah, our kids are getting a little bigger, the 2 boys, so 2 would fit back here just fine.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is the bunk area.
Yep.
Moving on to the main living area where you spend the majority of your time if you're going to be indoors. It's actually pretty spacious. Like I like the way this is laid out because this area feels comfortable. If you have 4 or 6 people, like I don't feel like it's going to feel cramped
in here.
I don't think
so either.
So we also have the kitchen right behind us. I know I'm not the best cook or the best at using the kitchen. So what stands out to you in the kitchen?
I like the amount of counter space. There's actually quite a bit of counter space for the size of the rig that this is, and the amount of storage. It has so many drawers and cabinets that you can open up. And then the last thing that I really like in the kitchen area is the stove. It is an upgraded stove top where it has the cast iron grill, and then it feels like a little bit bigger of an area.
Yeah, and the couch turns into a bed, the dinette turns into a bed, and there's storage underneath there also. So overall, the living area, I think passes the test. Absolutely. I like the living area.
Yeah.
Moving on to the bathroom, I'm going to do this one by myself because it can get a little tight in these restrooms for 2 people. So, but actually, this isn't that bad of a size for an RV bathroom. Plenty of room to come in here, use the sink. You're not up against the wall for the toilet. The shower is a decent size and height. For somebody my height, I'm 6'4". There's plenty of room to take a shower in there and not feel overly cramped or feel like you're crouched over. So plenty of storage. You have a cabinet here behind me, another one over here on this side. You got drawers. So this thing has quite a bit of storage for the bathroom. It works well. So, oh, I almost forgot. I almost always do the full shower test where I actually get in it. So do that now. You have to duck to get in, but once you're in, there's plenty of room in here to take a shower. It's got this curtain. It's like this plastic sheet. It seems fine. I don't know how it would hold up to daily use, but Seems like a fine shower door, and I always do this. I don't know why I do that every video, but I do. The shower's fine. I think it'd be great. Last but not least is the forward bedroom area. And first off, for me, I love these windows. I know we're in a like RV sales area, so you look out and you just see another RV, but being somewhere, I like the size of these windows here. Plenty of room for me to be able to stand up where we walk into the room. So that's a plus for me.
Yep.
Oftentimes I have to crouch over in fifth wheels in the bedroom, so I like that. Storage for the clothes, storage underneath the bed. Those are kind of the functional things about the room.
For me, I like that you can walk around the bed. You don't have to like make the bed with somebody's laying up against a wall. That's pretty hard to make. So I really like that you can walk around the bed.
Yeah, and not bad for this only having one slide. So there's no slide for this main bedroom area, but it feels spacious enough and plenty of storage for all of our clothes. So that'll work.
Yeah.
Well, that covers the inside, but the outside, this has decent storage compared to our rig. Two 30-pound tanks. Now this is the 150 series, so this hitch up front, it's able to pivot, put that pivot point a little bit further back. So they say you can tow this with like a half-ton truck, and it can be even a short bed without it interfering with the cab of your truck. That's one of the key features of this one, as you can go with a smaller truck. It also has more storage in the back here underneath the bedroom, and right here it's a little tight in here, but it has like an outdoor kitchenette. So it has a fridge, and it also has like a way to be able to cook outside, a little stove top out here. So that's kind of slick. I almost forgot to mention this area where the battery compartment is, and quite a bit more storage. This down here is your typical bay it's like a pass-through for storage, and it has your hookups for emptying your tanks and filling up, city water hookup. All that kind of stuff is down here in this area. Well, that's gonna wrap up our tour of this rig. Again, this was the 290BH Grand Design 150 series. It weighs fully loaded just under 10,000 pounds. And right now where we're at, they've got a sale going on, and it's like $35,000 for the sale. Usually they say it's like
46,000.
Yeah, 46,000.
Right.
So that's kind of the ballpark of the price of this thing. We're at Affinity RV in Prescott. They've been super helpful and kind. And so yeah, if you're in the area, check them out if you're looking for one of these Grand Designs. So I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you in the next video.